You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Is that one per pull? What? Is that one per pull?
It's actually a single pull, but there's two per side. Yeah.
Oh, okay. A lot of power.
A lot of power, yeah. That's why I got this meter here, so I can actually watch the power so I don't blow them out. It's tuned high, so whenever frequency gets up around 48, 50 hertz, it'll spike up and like blow my cones out. I blew out 3 weeks ago.
So you watching it?
Yeah, I'm watching it, yeah.
Is it hard to get it out, or you got to undo the whole front right here?
Yeah, so you got to, this whole piece has to, this whole piece got to come out, and then those braces got to come out.
It's time consuming.
It's a half a day.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I appreciate
them subs are not too light, trying to get them up there.
I ain't never seen them. Well, what's it, Fosgate?
Yeah, Rockord.
I've never seen one like that right there, bro.
Yeah, not many of us left.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I seen one last week that was just building down in Arkansas. I said I'd probably check that one out, but ain't like you said, ain't many of them left.
There's Brett out on the West Coast has the van. Rockord has the demo van.
Yeah.
And then that's the only two that I know that are big scale top level numbers. Yeah.
It's definitely impressive, man. Where can they follow you at? This here right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Sure, appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Who's one of these cars so you know you can find your demo here?
Oh, okay.
All right, thanks.
Hard line, rhyme for war time. In my front line, just butter sign. In the front line,
You still rolling?
Yeah, you're still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.